Velez with a couple of jerks here. I'm getting ready to install my new T56 in my Beamer there. I had a CD009 in it before, and I don't know, man, it just didn't really work out for me very well. It I don't know, the shifter was kind of fucked up. It's mostly my fault. Like, the shifter was like way back, and I had to put like some weird Frankenstein shifter that you'll probably see me taking apart. So I'm gonna make a video of me trying to install this T56 in the car. Hopefully it works out a lot better. And I don't know about you guys, but going underneath a car on your back and taking the transmission out kind of sucks. So we'll see how that goes. Out and about.
You be able to get at that with a wrench and everything?
Yeah.
Cool. And I think I can see that. Wait, what the fuck is that, dude? Dude, there's something like over here. It's like furry and shit. Fucking seriously, dude.
The goddamn gerbil.
What the hell is that thing?
What is it?
Touch it.
I ain't touching that shit.
Come on, man.
Fuck that, poke that motherfucker. Huh, I'm gonna stab it in the face with a fucking knife.
Dude, get the screwdriver. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck, dude? Let's do that shit. We got the trend now. Where's it?
Where's that motherfucker?
Oh my god.
It's his fucking eye, man. Look at that thing. He's winking at me. He's got shifty motherfucking ideas. I don't fucking know. Fuck that guy. Fuck this 350Z piece of shit. Fuck all this shit. That guy's fucking shifty. Look at his eyes. Fucking look at him. Look at him. He's like the possessed.
Dude, you got the glove, go ahead, pull it up.
I ain't touching that thing. Ah!
Oh, it's crunchy.
Ah! What the fuck is it?
It's a mouse.
Ah! The house
Look how
popping all
snippy it
this.
is.
Oh man. Dude, it smells like shit.
I'm gonna throw this on you.
Ah!
Oh, God.
You son of a
I wouldn't
bitch.
do that.
So there you have it. The main meat. The fucking the Chad Velez himself. We just fucking manhandle this bitch piece of shit 350Z the fuck out of this fucking piece of shit. Fuck this thing.
I can't get that piece of shit bell housing out. So I'm gonna I can't get a wrench in there, so I'm just gonna weld this piece of pipe that I got lying around that Seth meted off like the other day. Hey Seth, check out my custom wrench.
Oh man.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think after I'm done using this thing, since it's a Craftsman, I'm gonna go return it to Sears and we'll get a brand new one. Dude, taking that bell housing out and the old tranny and all that shit was a complete, absolute fuck story. I didn't record anything because it was horrible. I wanted to kill myself. And we're getting ready to poke this motherfucker in there and see what happens. So hopefully that doesn't suck.
That's fucking tight, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I figured you two guys can pick it up. And I'll grab the back and try to fucking like straighten it out as we guide it towards the thing.
Alright, while you guys are doing that, I'm gonna hold the camera in one hand, and with the other hand, I'm gonna pour beer in your mouth.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. Exactly what we need.
That's what me and Seth need.
This is not gonna be comfortable. It's gonna suck. This looks fucking terrible.
Okay.
There are definitely 4 dudes under this car right now.
Blind back.
We better be at a fucking lift.
I'm gonna pull it that way.
Hold on. Look at my leg under here. There we go.
Hold on. Go to your right.
I'm gonna let
Seth, I can't see anything, so just pat it to the spine. As soon as we get towards the spine, we gotta
Seth,
straighten
it's
it out.
It's like a penis and a, you know.
You were good.
There you go.
As they drop that transmission on Seth's face.
Not sure what you're doing here. Just move it.
That looks terrible from where I'm sitting.
There you go. So I hate to say, maybe we need to pull it out just a little bit. To get, never mind. There we go.
That's it. Oh
As
yeah.
soon as I said the
Are we
wrong.
flat?
Dude, the bench is like, maybe we should pull out. And it was like,
Alright, is it flat? Who's not under the car right now?
Hey, Henschke, do you want to grab me my beer? It's on the front table there, half the ribbon.
Alright, dudes, we can all get the fuck out from under here and celebrate with a beer.
she goes!
That's how you fucking need it, bro.
Oh man, the meat brigade. I'm in here to fucking
The meat brigade.
We're all like, I went for it with the jack too. We're all like, hold it, Jacko, get the fucking jack! Coriago's like under the car, like, oh shit! Okay, let me get where the fuck is everything? Finally, we got that thing up there with him holding up the weight with the jack on the back, me moving the tail shaft up and down while Seth did one of these full fucking rotations. It was like a mad gyration going on.
Like Jordan Beck's motion of the ocean.
Yeah.
So you basically gangbanged the transmission.
Oh yeah, that thing got hammered hard.
Coming from behind here. There it is.